I'm gonna set up the video. Okay, 1, 2, pretend to sleep. Close your eyes, Mikael. Close. He's giving the whole game away, guys. Close your eyes. They're sleeping. I don't know. Sibarilis probably dream about food. They're sleeping. And he don't want to sleep. Pola Wanga don't want to sleep. He clapped Jibril. So rude. He's surrounded like the middle child. In the middle child.